Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Monday, everybody. Buenos dias. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are we all doing today? What's up, Beyond Limit? What's up, Nate? What's up, Steve? What's up, Robert? What's up, Internet? It's a beautiful Monday. Nah, Nate, I just like live streaming at this time. Steve, it's Black Ops multiplayer menu music. Oh, let me get that thing. It's that on YouTube. It's a pretty good stream. I like it. It's very nostalgic. It brings back a lot of memories. Dude, I remember the first time I played it on stream at the intro. We're all like, oh shoot, we're going crazy over here. Hey, Tradovate added a what was that manual lockout? Yeah, manual lockout. That's pretty good. Right here, guys, we got the manual lockout. But yeah, good morning, everyone. We got this one account, the TakeProfitTrader Pro. This is a $2 account, guys. We got it $1,164 in payouts last week. Yeah, we made like 436. What was it? 436 early in the week. Then we made 396. Then we got a $332 one on Friday. So not bad. There you go, Internet. Love to hear that. You're green on the funded and in your personal. And you're getting ready to move to Hawaii, man. That's a dub. Call it a day. You're good. What's up, Chris Kelly? What's up, man? $690, dang. Yeah, those Pokemon cards been going crazy. Come on, Pancho. Come here. Cat's crying. Yeah, the Pokemon cards be going crazy. Yeah. He's going to the bed. But yeah, guys. Hey, our first trade of the day always gets stopped out. Should we try to get take a have a 2-point stop or something? Internet, it's your day, man. That's a great day. Oh, you want a MyFundedFutures count? Guys, maybe we might do a big giveaway with MyFundedFutures, our biggest giveaway. Hey, I don't know, guys. I don't know. We shall see. Hey, good morning, PTG. How you doing, man? Glad to see everyone here. Yeah, MyFundedFutures, rapid accounts. Or I might have taken a long right here, honestly. we keep getting stopped out on our first trade. So where would I put my stop? Like right around here? Yeah, I'd probably put my stop right around there. 48. Yeah, I put my stop right there. So we should enter right here, guys. We gotta enter on my stop loss, because it stops me out and then runs in my favor. Cat's got the zoomies. Yeah, MyFundedFutures, a big thing coming out for a giveaway. Be our biggest one yet, guys. I think we have CPI on Wednesday. Dude, people love passing accounts on CPI. Yeah, we have no news today. Trump speaks at 1:35 p.m. After hours. No news tomorrow. We got CPI on Wednesday, unemployment on Thursday. Then we got some news on Friday. We've been having a lot of no news in the beginning of the week, but we've been having news like Wednesday, Thursday, and Fridays. So, yeah. Chicago, I sold shoes for my job. I did that for almost 4 years. Oh, yeah, Chris. Yeah. This is where all the certified funded traders hang out. They tried to stop our streams before, but we're not going to let them. We got to keep fighting, guys. We can't let the market makers and MP destroy our run. We got to stop them, guys. We are the true champion certified funded traders. Yeah, be honest, we might just have like a slow grind up. I mean, we had a big sell-off. We touched the 24,000. Like, we almost... Yeah, right here, the 23,000s. We just entered it just by a point. And we just bounced off it in the overnight. And I'm kind of just slowly grinding up. PTG, how many payouts did you get per account? Are you like copy trading them? What's up, Jasmine? What's up, Kirk? No trades yet. Yeah, we just started. Well, we have room to the 25,000s, but I doubt we're gonna hit there today. Cause we had like a big rip up, and it might be overextended. Cause it's just slowly grinding, and there's no news today, so I don't think we'll hit it today. But we definitely could hit 25,000s this week. What's up, Tommy? Good morning, man. Buenos dias, everybody. Yeah, it seems a little early, PTG, but yeah. But at least you got those payouts. What I like about Tradeify is the live program. Yeah, you can have 5 live accounts still, but it just sucks that you got started at 0 again. Because I think you just get like I think you start at $0, but you just have like a static drawdown, depending on the account size, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure that's how it works with them. There you go, Tommy. Damn, Tommy. Freaking killing it, bro. Yeah, I just got bought right up, internet. Yeah, we just tapped the 23,000, just by a smidge. Hey, look, guys, you see this? The 24,000s. Look, false breakout to the upside. Rally 600 plus points. Just a smidge. Right now we're just kind of forming a top area right here, just moving slow choppy. Overall trend is bullish still, so I personally want to look for a short at the moment, but I'll rather look for a long entry. And guys, if we profit on this account, you guys can see it now. I fixed it. Yeah, I fixed it so you guys can see it now. It looks kind of cleaner, I think. Yeah, you can see the accounts. Yeah, if we profit on this account, and you can see the balances. If we profit on this account, yeah, we can make another withdrawal, guys. Let's go, Chris. That's a great day, man. Chris, you passed the buffer and you got a $700 payout. Bro, that's a great day. And you passed the buffer. So if you profit again tomorrow or this week, Chris, that's another payout. Let's go. Good job, man. Hey, that's for being a certified funded trader, man. You have all those skills to get those payouts. Yeah, that's annoying, PDG. That's what I don't like about the Tradeify when they move you to live is the other profits are forfeited, which I really don't like. And like any prop firm, they have the right to move you to live like any time. So that's kind of annoying. Yeah, I understand that, PDG. That's what I don't like. Where the other firms, you can get paid out and then get moved to live. Yeah, that's kind of weird. It's kind of weird that you only have 4 accounts live. Should be getting the full 5. Especially if you're taking the same trades on them. What's up, Daily Day Trade? Good morning. No, they pay out, Tommy. Tradeify pays out. They're legit. It's just, yeah, I think they've been moving people to live sooner, which is not the best. But they still pay out and they're still legit. But they do have a good live program. Because you can still have 5 live accounts end of day. When did they add that lockout button? I think they added it yesterday or today. I think they added it, yeah, I think they added it yesterday. I don't know how to use it yet. I haven't tried it yet. We should practice it. I don't know. I don't want to click it yet. I don't know how to use it. Because I never traded on TopStepX. Every time I traded on TopStep, I just use it on the copy trader. And I trade on Tradovate. Yeah, TakeProfitTrader is really nice. And you can still get paid out when you get moved to live. What's up, Fort Lauderdale? How you doing? Okay. All right, thank you guys. Yeah, I didn't know how to use it, so I didn't want to. I didn't want to bother clicking it, because I don't want to lock myself out when I take no trades today. Yeah, I never traded on TopStepX. I wasn't really a fan of it. I like Tradovate. That's good. I like that you can you like lock out certain accounts? Like, can I lock out like the pro account? Well, I don't have a problem trading it, honestly, because I only trade these on stream. But like, can I just lock out like this account and then like the others I could trade still? Oh, that's good. They could, yeah, the next session would be nice. Jacob, as long as you're under the 50% rule, and yeah, you trade 2 days. So if you make 1,500 and 1,500, then you can pass. The Shog? Yeah, maybe. Look, I would have entered a long right here, and I would have got stopped out. Look, I would have entered a long right here and got stopped out. We got to enter where my stop loss would be, right here. Yeah, you click and you're like, you get instantly liquidated. Doing good for Lauderdale. How you doing, man? That's great. Yeah, we're doing good. No trades yet, guys. Sup, Grizz? Sup, Jasmine? Yeah. Yeah, Xavier, I have a code Casinator with them. Yeah, I passed it 1 day with those accounts. We're on one trade, 150 points. But I got sad news with those accounts. We'll be out in the vlog. New vlog tonight, guys. New vlog. Tonight's the night. What's up, Jones? What's up, man? Tahuti, yeah. Oh, I mean, I would enter a long right here normally. Because we've been noticing I've been getting stopped out on my first trade. Barely stops me out and then runs in my favor. That happened like 4 or 5 times last week. Literally on Friday, I entered it, stopped me out, and then ran up, and we're like, yeah, see? We've been saying this all week. Look, okay, I should enter right here then, yeah. For a long. That's an interesting way, Tahuti. Ah, I see. Yeah, that's where he got shadowed, yeah. Alpha got 0 consistency. In instant fundeds. Dude, what did I say, guys? Look, I would normally enter right here, have my stop loss right here, get stopped out. Look at that. If we entered where my stop loss would be, dude, we'd be 40 points in profit right now. You guys see that? Only if we executed. I'm telling you, the market makers are watching our stream, guys. I would normally enter a long right here, get stopped out, and then like run 40 points in my favor. Unreal. Play to a T. We just didn't take the trade. That's the only problem. Wow. Yeah, guys. We gotta get rid of that bad omen on the first trade. We gotta get rid of that. Unreal. Unreal. Yeah, E8, yeah. You can pass it one day. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I just like the 5-minute though, so I'm just gonna stick with that, honestly. I don't like the lower time frames, like lower than 5 minutes. Maybe like a 15-minute. I actually never really looked at a 15-minute. MNQ. 15-minute. Actually, you could find entries here, yeah. Actually, this is not bad. This is a 15-minute chart. I never really looked at the 15-minute. You actually could see some good moves here, yeah. Like a long right here. 635. Would that be where my stop would be? Dude, that literally would be my... Yeah, my stop right there. That would be an entry. Grizz, you might be onto something, man. I don't like this lower than a 5, but maybe like, yeah, like a 15-minute. No way. Dude, look at that. No shot. Jones, when did they add that? I don't think... Did they add that? The Alpha Futures, yeah? Because they only had a 0 plan, standard plan, and advanced plan. Vlad is doing good. No way, guys. Damn. Dude, that's 90 points. No shot. The Vlad, the $2 account's doing pretty well. This is the $2 account right here. We got $1,164 in payouts after the fees, and then we got like $300 the week before. Guys, so we took this account from $2 in drawdown all the way to clearing the buffer and getting $1,500 in payouts. And if we profit again, we could take another withdrawal. No, I don't take the wick test, no. $2,000 for a 150K account? Are we thinking the right firm? What's up, Isaac? What's up, man? Nice, Grizz. I like that. Actually, the 15 minutes not bad. Actually, the 15 minutes actually not bad. Yeah, I actually see good setups on these. The 15 minute. I never traded the 15 minute. Maybe it has like a double confirmation. Where are you? Aha! Double confirmation. Yep. Hey guys, it's Motivational Monday. I love Mondays. We're getting back to work. Double confluence. Yeah, that is right. Yeah, that is true. This is the accounts tab. I didn't know how to add this, and then I figured out how to add it. I even actually forgot how I added it. But it's kind of cool that you can see your P&L like this. Because I see like other like streamers and stuff having it. Aha! There we are. Hey, thank you, Rizp. It means a lot, man. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, thank you for using my code, guys. It means a lot. We're doing a big MyFundedFutures giveaway this week. Big MyFundedFutures giveaway. Guys, a lot of accounts. I'm just waiting for a response from him. Guys, you thought, hey, you guys saw Doyle he got caught. Dude, there's so many damn freaking fake influencers. That's what pisses me off about the trading industry. That's literally why I started this channel, guys. I'm literally a normal ass dude, and I was like, I'm just gonna document the journey. That's literally why I started this channel. That's so annoying. Cause people that I looked up to in the trading space, I was like, oh, he's a very successful trader. I want to be like him. I later, after like watching them for a few months, and I'm like really like you know, they motivate me. I'm doing this and that. Later, like 6 months, a year down the line, they get exposed for being a fraud, fake, allegedly. And I'm like, oh my gosh. And that really annoyed the crap out of me. I was like, dude, I used to look up to this dude, and now he's just caught red-handed, faking everything. And I was so pissed off. I was like, screw this. And then I started this channel, guys. I literally started this channel to document the journey. I don't sell a course or a Discord membership. So annoying. Jones, I didn't find it. Are you talking about Jones? Are you talking about the green firm, the Alpha Futures firm? Yeah, allegedly he got exposed for trading on a demo account instead of like a real account. I mean, numerous big traders got caught doing that. Numerous big traders got caught doing the demo, trading a demo account, and then also faking broker statements. Big no-nos. And guess what, guys? They all sell courses, and they all sell their monthly Discord memberships and WAP. They have their WAP membership. And so many people like fall for that and buy it and all that stuff. And guys, they're literally getting rich teaching you how to trade, and they don't even trade. They just like, yeah, use the demo accounts allegedly. Yeah, no, yeah. Salim, what's his name? Iman posted on his X. Yeah, he got caught using a demo account. He had like an editing glitch in his video or something. Alpha Trader. I haven't heard of Alpha Trader. I know Alpha Futures. Huh. Doyle. Allegedly, he got caught for faking everything. Trading on a demo account. I don't know. I don't know the whole thing, but Iman posts on his page. Alright. The normal case, he would take a long right here at this, like, 46, yeah? Maybe we should look for that entry where my stop loss would be, like, that 32. It's still on his channel. I know who he is. I don't watch his videos. Yeah, he's got a lot of subscribers. He got 167,000. That's a lot. Damn. So many people, man. Cat's going crazy. Yeah, and I'm not saying anything, but a lot of them, you know, they like trade on that trading view and say, oh, I'm in a long or this, that. And they never show their account numbers. They never show this. They never show that. They just say, oh, just made 10 grand on my live account. Let's go. You don't know that. It's just like a damn charting screen right there. Forex, okay. Yeah. Forex futures. Yeah, EA has crypto and Forex as well, I think. TradeDay is a good firm, saying. They've been around a while and they pay out. The only thing is you need to trade 5 days in the challenge with the 30% consistency rule. But other than that, they're pretty good. But then you can get payouts on day one of the funded with an end of day account, which is nice. So it's kind of the takeaway for it, because you could get payouts on day one if you cross the buffer. So that's the takeaway for the 5 days. I got a code. I got code Casinator. E8 Markets. Yeah, if you guys want to trade E8 Markets, yeah, code Casinator. Also Perdia, if you guys want to trade Perdia. Perdia's they're a good firm if you want to go to like a live. They have a good live program. Perdia. Perdia Capital. Oh, Dan, I like futures way better, man. Way better. Yeah, I'm only trading futures, man. I don't bother with the Forex CFDs. Yeah, only futures. I mean, they're cheaper. You can have multiple funded accounts. Futures is just night and day difference, honestly. And also, like, when you enter a trade, like, the spread is, like, way better on futures. Or, like, sometimes when you enter a trade on the Forex, like, you'll be down right away. Which is really bad. So... And allegedly, there's more scammy stuff with the Forex industry. Like, with, like, the firms, the brokers, the people talking about them. It's more sketch, in my opinion. Yeah. Yeah. And they're more regulated, too, futures, so... Yeah, I always go futures, man. Yeah, Perdia. Yeah, they've been around a while, too, actually. Yeah, they've been around a while, too. Yeah, that's what I heard RB Trades is that you can have, like, a big winning day on your funded account and just kind of, like, just sit for payout. Yeah, the Forex is like, yeah, unregulated brokers and all that stuff. Very, very sketch. Yeah, Dan. Yeah, I heard the spreads and the commissions is like really bad, allegedly. Like, as soon as you enter the trade, you're already down. And Forex firms, the accounts are way more expensive. Like, way more. And a lot of them are I think they have one stage pass, but a lot of them are 2-stage pass. Like, you need 2 stages to pass. And I don't think a lot of them allow copy trading, I'm sure. I think. MNQ, it depends how fast the market's moving, but generally like 5 to 10 micros on these 50Ks. 5 to 10 micros. Yeah, it depends how it's moving. Most of the time I'll stay in that area. Yeah, I like the micros, guys. Because if I was trading one mini, I can't trim or anything. And it's the same commission and fees on TakeProfitTrader. I don't know about the other firms, but TakeProfitTrader, it's the same commission fees. It's 50% per micro and $5 per mini. So it equals the same. So I'm like, it makes sense to trade micros. Yeah, we're just slowly grinding up, so I would still look for a long, just so I'm gonna wait on a good pullback. Right now it's kind of just chilling near the high right here, which I don't want to FOMO in. But we'll make a poll. You guys like the polls. Where are we going? Hey, you guys saw the UFC fights this weekend? Dude, you see the Cody Garbrandt fight? That was insane. I've never seen that in a UFC fight ever. And then where there was Max Holloway fight. Alright, where are we going, everyone? Silly. Yeah, Casey Furu, certified funded trader. He sells his memberships by driving his Lamborghini. I mean, not a Lamborghini, his Honda Fit. Yeah, I get exposed for driving my Honda Fit, guys. I used the Honda Fit as a selling model to get more people to buy my course and my WAP membership. We're just trading this one account right here, and then the 5 challenges. These are 5 challenges. Yeah, we'll copy trade those. Yeah, if you guys ever want to copy trade, the Tradovate copy trader works completely fine. I only use Tradesyncer when I'm copy trading other firms. This account solo dolo, and then this one we're trading the copy. But anything above 2,000 we can withdraw. Yeah, if Ivan posted about you, man, it's over. He's apparently gonna make a TGAR video within a week, he says. It's over. If you're getting chopped out at market open, simply just don't trade at market open. I know it's easier said than done, but you literally just don't trade it. Just wait maybe 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes maybe till you see a good setup. Because I notice at market open sometimes they're very big candles right at the open, but it kind of forms like a range and just like playing ping pong. So you gotta be careful about that. So if you're getting chopped up at market open, just simply just wait and don't trade it, honestly. How do you know when I'm in a trade? I'll be really focused, have my hand over mouth. You'll see my P&L right here, and then should be right here. Yeah, right here you'll see my P&L open. Right now it's at 0 because there's no position open. And then also right here on the price, you'll see my P&L. But no trades yet right now. I'm still waiting for a setup. Damn, if we literally took that long right here like we said we were, that would have been almost 100 points. Chris Kelly, yeah. Well, I don't know what's going on with him, but he got exposed for a demo account. But some people say he's legit. Some I don't know. But it's like if you're really a profitable trader that's been trading for 7 years, yeah, why would you trade on a demo account? It literally makes no sense. Wouldn't you want to be trading on a live account? Even if it's a live account and you're trading a small size like micros, like a couple micros, like why? I don't know. It just seems weird. Doesn't make sense. To get rid of the trail, the best way, in my opinion, is trade a smaller size, take smaller winning trades, and if you're in a winning trade, like a big one, just try to trail your winner and trim on the way up or down, wherever you're going. kind of stuff like that. It's harder to trade, but you could definitely get around it. It gets a little time to get used to. Jacob, that'll be in the video tonight, 5 p.m. Yeah, shorts are not working out. I don't know, probably like a long at the moment. I wouldn't take a short right now. I mean, we look really bullish right now. We're just like grinding up. And then just like a pullback, grind up, pullback, grind up. So right now we're just making new highs. So in my opinion, I would not look for a long short right now at the moment. Pullback, long, enter long. Go 50 points profit, lock it in, call it a day, get the payout. Yeah, I've been noticing I've been getting wrecked on the breakouts recently, so I'm going to try avoiding those at the moment and enter on the pullbacks. I've been seeing more success on pullbacks recently. Bro, I did a poll last week. So bright. I did a poll last week. I said, what's your favorite prop firm? We got 506 votes. 31% voted TakeProfitTrader. 15% voted TopStep. 44% voted Lucid. And 10% Apex. That's crazy. Dude, Lucid. And then Lucid, I did another one. What's your favorite prop firm before that? 526 votes. 18% MyFundedFutures, 29% TakeProfitTrader, 10% Tradeify, and 42% Lucid. And I took the two winners, TakeProfitTrader and Lucid, and put them against TopStep and Apex. And friggin' TakeProfitTrader and Lucid are still in the lead by a lot. Damn, 44%. It's kind of a lot, actually. Yeah, Lucid's been stepping it up, guys. Yeah. yeah, internet, no shorts this morning. You get clapped on that. Yeah, Lucid and yeah, they're rising a lot, man. It's crazy. I'm actually genuinely surprised that it was 44% per poll on the favorites. I'm actually like really surprised. I thought it'd be like 20, 30, but like almost half the votes. That's a lot. All right, let's see a pullback. Yeah, I like MyFundedFutures too. Great firm. That's why I like all these firms. I don't have like a particular favorite, but they're like, I like trading all of them. They're all good. Yep. Yeah, people making money with Lucid, yeah. But yeah, the fact that they just came out recently, I think, did they come out last year? Because they're still relatively new. They didn't come out a long time ago. And then TakeProfitTrader's been around for a few years. Even, yeah, they're shitting on Tradeify and MyFundedFutures on the polls, and those are great firms. So I'm like, that's why I was genuinely surprised. No, I don't. I know no agent station. Just New York. 590. That's a big pullback, honestly. That's a big pullback. That's like over 150 points. I don't know. Probably not anytime soon. I think we're still trending bullish at the moment, honestly. Yeah, around 6 months ago. All right, internet. Have a great day, man. Appreciate you as always, brother. Have a good one. Get to packing and stay away from the charts. Let's go. Have a good one, brother. Jacob, yeah, you have to be under the 50% consistency rule in any of the accounts on the challenge phase. So for the 25K account, I'm pretty sure it's $1,500. No, $750. Yeah, it's a $1,500 profit target, so you have to stay under $750, Jacob. Yeah, it's a great firm, Leos. Yeah. And yeah, I do like that AJ, the CEO of Lucid, is like listening to the traders and like trying to improve it. Yeah, they got rid of the Lucid Black plan and the Lucid Pro plan. They like combine the benefits of the Black account into the Pro account, so it's like they're both into the one. So right now they only have the Lucid Pro, Lucid Flex, and Lucid Direct. Cat's dropping stuff. Yeah, they did increase the prices, I think, of the 150K account. I'm not sure if they did on the Pro account because they changed that as well. But yeah. What's up, Alicia? Great job. Let's go. More money? Most of the time 50K accounts. I realize I like the 50Ks. They're cheaper, they're easier to pass, they're easy to clear the buffer. Yeah, they're nice. I like the 50K accounts. Yeah, Chris. That is true. But I think Fast Track was just like straight up just like, I feel like they were in on it from the beginning. Like, hey, let's just do a massive rug pull or something. I don't know. Like, well, they started out with 20 instant funded accounts. They didn't even have an evaluation stage. They're all instant funded accounts. And a bunch of traders were getting massive payouts. Man, I had a 30 grand payout with them. And then it got denied. Oh, man, I was pissed, dude. 30 grand? Deals, yeah, maybe have a set day loss that may help, like maybe like $400 to $500 or something. Try that maybe. Like, are you over trading deals? Are you over leveraging? Like, what are you struggling with deals? Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Yeah, I hope the new Apex is not like that. Well, I mean, when they did a lawsuit with day traders, they had to provide like the records of how much they're profiting, and they're profiting net profit like around like 10 million or more a month. $10 million net profit. So I don't. If they're still doing that, they shouldn't be having a problem with the denying payouts or something in their new plan. But yeah, their new plan, I mean, 20 end-of-day accounts is crazy. Never in a million years would I think Apex would have end-of-day accounts. 20 of them. But here we are now in 2026. That's a crazy change. Yeah, freaking fast track trading, guys. Yeah, I made videos about it on my page. I had a $30,000 payout locked in. I sent the payout. Waited like over 2 weeks, I think, just to be told that your payout's getting denied and you're not getting your payout. And people were pissed off. Some people were hating on me saying like, oh, because the CEO was like, oh, you just got to trade a few more days and then we'll get you the 30K payout with everyone. We'll approve your payout again and stuff like that. And I'm like, no, this is a scam. Like, I was rightfully owed 30 grand and other people, and now they're telling us to trade more just so we could potentially blow the accounts and whatever. And I was like, no, this is bull crap. I'm not dealing with it. And people are like, oh, you're not a real trader if you can't keep trading with them. Oh, you're fake, blah, 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 blah. And guess what? Less than 10 days later, I think a week later, they went bankrupt and seized all operations and went out in the dust. And then all those haters that were talking shit, they're all crickets, they're all chirping, they're all walking away like nothing happened. You know the thing with the haters is they always like talk crap and try to like prove you wrong. And the second you prove them wrong or something, they don't even like man up about it and be like, yeah, you know what, you're right, Casey. You know what, you're right. I was wrong. They don't ever man up. They just run away like a coward, like nothing happened. It's so crazy. It's so crazy. They like nothing happened, but they'll talk a lot of mad shit, and then when you prove them right, they're long gone, running off the hills like nothing happened. Yeah, they go silent. And I warned people about that. I was like, hey, you know, they denied my payout. I wouldn't be trading with them. And then like less than a day or two later, they had a massive flash sale A massive sale, their biggest sale ever. And the CEO was like, yeah, all you haters are going to hate on us. We just launched this big sale. And then a few days after that, they went bankrupt and vanished. Crazy. Yeah. Yeah, you know what's crazy? I disputed the freaking charges with my bank, and because it was a wire, they couldn't do anything about it. So I lost also $1,800 on the damn accounts I paid for. Not only did I lose my 30 grand payout, but I lost my $1,800 that I bought the accounts for. I tried doing a chargeback, but it was a wire transfer, and you can't. They couldn't do anything about it, they said. Crazy. Yeah. And people were thinking I'm the crazy one for saying that's bullcrap. So crazy. Hey, it's all good, Rex. You still got your first payout last week, Rex. That's a great win, right? You got your first payout ever last week, so that's a win, man. I noticed after when I got my first payout, I blew the account after, so hey, you still got your first payout, man. Thank you, Mo Money. It means a lot, man. Thank you very much. It really means a lot. Thank you. Thank you, Mo Money. Yeah, we'll grind back. Yeah, that's why I'm like, I just passed it on. Like, I can't dwell on it and, like, think about it too much, because if I constantly dwell about it and think about it, it's just going to drag me down lower. If I'm constantly thinking about that 30 grand and my $1,800 I put in. So I just quickly forgot about it and moved on. Then I still got a bunch of payouts after that, so I was so happy. Yeah, that was the end of 2024. Yeah. Crazy. Okay. Well, we hit a new high, and now we're making a pullback. The trend is still bullish. We still have not formed bearish yet. Guys, where would my stop loss be? Probably around here. I feel like I can't enter there. Yeah, news trading will have slippage, guys, so yeah, be cautious. Everyone's favorite day is on Wednesday, CPI. They love passing evals during that day. Dude, everyone goes crazy over CPI news passing. I don't know why. Everyone goes in that, what, like NFP? Mo Money? No, that's pretty good. I mean, most people don't even reach the payout stage, so the fact that you got it within 10 months is really good, Mo Money. That's good, man. Really. Well, Mo Money, if you did it before, guess what? You could do it again, my friend. If you did it before, you could do it again. So you got to have that mindset. Just understand what you're doing right when you got those payouts and do that. And if you're on a losing streak or whatever and you're losing accounts, understand what you're doing wrong and try to fix that, Mo Money. But that's good, man. You got payouts. Not a lot of people reach there, man. Charmin, I tried the evals. I got wrecked on those. I lost those. So I was like, I'm going back to the 50Ks. I like the 50Ks. And if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I was getting no momentum on them. $3 p.m. Eastern? What is that? Is that 11 o'clock here? $12 p.m. Power hour. Far out. That's power hour. Yeah, Charmin, that's what I was kind of struggling with. It's hard to trade because you got to make 9 grand in the challenge phase, so it's really hard to pass. So you kind of have to trade minis, like 3 to 5 minis, yeah. But yeah, 5 minis, yeah, you could lose that pretty quick. 4 minis, yeah, even 3. I mean 3 minis, yeah, you could lose it real quick. It's kind of hard. That's why I was getting no momentum on them. Yeah, Mo Money, try going to micros and taking your time, man. Really. Yeah, try not to rush it and just go slow, take it easy. And yeah, you got it, Mo Money. If you did it before, you could do it again, my friend. Yeah, I like that thing too. Guys, if I got 300 grand in payouts in 2024, why can't we do that again this year? I don't know. We're gonna have the right mindset. But we can't be like, oh, we need to make 300 grand, because that's what I did last year and I got wrecked. So we just take what the market gives me. Yeah, you just take what the market gives you, guys. Right on, Farah. 25k accounts are good. A lot of people in here trade them. Dom. Yeah, a lot of people trade 25k accounts here. Well, I don't really have a set target for my profit. I just kind of take whatever honestly, whatever the market gives me, honestly. I don't really have a set daily profit target. Like, some days I'll end up, like, what, $100, $100, $200 on this account, and I'll be happy. And then some days I'll be up, like, 300, 400, 500, and I'm happy. It's just whatever. Just take a good trade, and whatever you end with is what you get. Because I also notice when I focus on the P&L like that, like, oh, I need to make 500 a day minimum, I get wrecked. Okay. We are making a pullback. We are staircasing down, so we gotta be cautious. We did have a massive rip long, so we just gotta be worried if this is a pullback or if it's overextended and now it's making a reversal. Because we have seen big moves in a direction, and it does a reversal. So we gotta be cautious if this is a reversal or just a pullback. But we got a new hour, 30 seconds ago. Oh yeah, you guys can see the seconds now. So you can see the seconds on the clock right here. You can see the time in the seconds. This is PST, guys. I'm on West Coast. Yeah. Yep. Whatever the market gives you, guys. Because I notice every time when I focus on the P&L, I would literally get wrecked. Because what would you do, guys? You would break your rules. You would overtrade, over-leverage. Like, let's say you had a $1,000 profit target, for example. I'm at $800. Oh, I'm not happy. I got to make $200. I ended up losing, going on a losing streak, going on tilt, back to break even, trying to fight back to profit, doing this, doing that. And I'm like, dude, I could have ended my day up $800 and walked away. Yeah, so never focus on the P&L like that, guys. Charmin, right now I got 10 loaded right now. I'm trading 5 to 10 micros per account. A mil? I don't know, man. We'll see. That is true, Dom. Yeah, it's only $500 less, and it's cheaper. And also on the challenge phase, you only have to make $1,500. Yeah, so yeah, the 25k accounts are they're slept on. Yep, Leos. Yeah, just taking good trades and good setup, guys. Don't focus on the P&L. Whatever the market gives you, yeah, you take it. Mo Money, if you're up 1.5 grand on a funded account, that's a lot, man. Especially at 50k, that's a lot, man. So that's a lot of money, Mo. You just gotta stack your winning days. So if you're having a problem like over trading or something, maybe set like a max trade limit of 1 to 3 a day. Try doing that. Something like that. Like if I profit like over 500 on the first trade, I'm taking it. I'm done on this account. Then I can work on challenges, you know. So it depends, but yeah, I mean $1,500 on a 50k, that's really good on a funded. Yeah, that's a win. That's a win. Yeah, lock. If I made $1,500 on this account today, oh, dude, I'm getting a $1,200 payout. I'm happy. I'm done. Yeah, I like that, Emil. Yeah, you can do yeah, the points and ticks. I like that. Yeah, that's why I also trade off points. I don't really trade off P&L. Like, well, I'm up 20 points or something. I like doing points, even though I have my P&L right here. Yeah, Sebastian, it's unfortunate, but yeah, when you focus on the P&L, it happens. Just a learning lesson, Sebastian. Not a loss, just a learning lesson, man. Yeah, the power of Dom, the 25K accounts is good. Yeah, we're trying to get our 550Ks back. Yeah, 25Ks are... I never really tried them with TakeProfitTrader. I should try them. Yeah, they're pretty good. More money, don't... Yeah, if you're focusing on the P&L too much, you just gotta learn not to do that, man. It's easier said than done, but just like... More money, try doing like 1 to 2 trades max per day. Whatever you end up with, win, loss, or break even, just call it a day. Whatever it is. If you're up $100, call it a day. If you're down 500, call it a day. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you are at the end of this, just take like 1 to 2 really good setups, and whatever happens, yeah, call it a day, man. Because when you're taking 5, 10, 20, 30 trades a day, then you're just straight up over trading and just focusing on the money. You know what I'm saying? I used to do that. It's really bad. Yeah, a lot of people trade 25K accounts here, especially to TakeProfitTrader guys. Like, a lot of people trade 25K accounts in here. And yeah, they're actually slept on. I haven't realized how good they are. Because they're literally $500 less than 50K accounts on the drawdown. So if you're trading micros, it's still good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Nah, my money, don't call yourself that, man. Just literally just be like, hey, it's not a loss, it's a lesson, it's a learning experience, and be like, hey, now I need to just take like 2 trades a day and call it. Whatever, win, loss, break even, whatever it is, just call it. Yep. Yep. Right on, Dom. Glad I inspired you, man. That means a lot. Yeah, I always get the 50Ks with the TakeProfitTrader. I never tried the 25Ks. Yeah, they're pretty nice, actually. Because they're a 1-to-1 drawdown. 150... How much are they? 150 times... You can get a 25K account for $90. That's not bad. Because you have no activation fee. More money, you just gotta learn, like, it also, like, I'm working on it too. You're just learning to accept a losing day and move on. Because losing is literally part of trading. That's like you being in the UFC, or you're being a fighter, and then you get really pissed off when you get punched in the face. Yeah, it sucks getting punched in the face, but it's literally part of your job. You're going to get punched in the face no matter what. You know what I'm saying? So in trading, you're going to lose all the time. It happens. It's just how you manage your risk. And more money. If you ended the day red, but you followed all your rules, like, hey, I took 2 trades. They didn't work out. They were my good setups. I followed my risk well. That's a win, man. Pat yourself on the back. Even though you lost on the day, that's a win. You got to look at it from that perspective. Let's go beyond tomorrow. Yeah, I noticed. Yeah, you were trying to do like the micros for like over a month. Yeah, let's see how that goes first. Beyond tomorrow, I like that. Good job, beyond tomorrow. Let's get those payouts. Yeah, Dom, Loki might gotta try that. But I'm gonna pass these first. Yeah, guys, what really stuck to me in my head, guys, to accepting the loss for today is if you have, this one trader said it, I forgot who. If you have a 70% win rate, think about it. You have a 70% win rate trading. That's an amazing win rate. That's a great win rate. I would love to have a 70% win rate. If you have a 70% win rate, you would literally need to lose 30% of the time to make up that 70% win rate. Think about that. So, on average, if you take 100 trades, on average, you'll lose 30 of them. But you're still having a 70% win rate. That's an amazing, right? Think about it like that. Yeah, Chris, I noticed that too. When I have the 5 days, sometimes, and no consistency rule especially, I'll kind of like try and make a lot on one day. Yeah. But yeah, I like to, that's why I like TakeProfitTrader, because I know if I make a profit, I can literally just withdraw it. And it's in my bank the next morning. That is true, Emil. Yeah. Try not to think about the money, guys. It's hard, but yeah, it's true. When you focus on making money, you lose money. But when you focus on the process, you'll do a lot better. Yeah, Mo Money, it's true, yeah. No one likes getting punched in the face, but it's literally part of their job. Do you see them like going on full on tilt when they get punched or kicked, you know? No, they just stay calm, cool, collected, and keep going. They obviously don't want to get punched in the face, but it's literally part of their job. Well, we're staircasing down right here, so I don't know if there's just a pullback or a full-on reversal happening. Gotta be cautious. Guys, we just need a one good A+ setup. Yeah, I love the TakeProfitTrader, Dom. Yeah, it's true. I realized because before when I used to trade them in like 2024, I would treat like TakeProfitTrader as like, oh, I gotta get rich quick. I gotta pass the buffer today. But I realize now, like, TakeProfitTrader is any accounts, but especially TakeProfitTrader, very long-term accounts. Like, trade small size, stack base hits, and move on with your day. Yeah, if I get like, yeah, any profit today, I can withdraw, which is nice. That's what I like. So you think like, hey, I gotta take a good trade. You know what I'm saying? Oh, no, 100%, Dan. It definitely takes a lot of time to get used to, but like we said, you improve one day at a time and learn to accept the loss and move on. It's a lot easier said than done. It was very hard for me, and I'm still working on it. That's why I like doing these live streams, because it keeps me accountable, and I'm like, I don't want to be breaking all my rules and going on tilt on stream, you know what I'm saying? So it helps with that. But, you know, I'm working on it still, too. $100%, guys. Yeah, trading long-term game as well. Very long-term game. What's up, Christian? The $2 account's doing great. We got $1,150 in payouts last week. This is a $2 account. So if we profit again today, we can take a payout. Yeah, this account's putting into work. This account, guys, is putting in overtime. He's putting in overtime, guys. Yeah, 444. It's all good, man. It's just, it happens. But that's good that you're learning to accept the loss, man. Because I remember before, you know, a couple weeks ago, you're a lot different now. Yeah, the manual lockout, man. Good job on that. What's up, Kinko? What's up, man? Chris Kelly, yeah, it's literally like a live account, guys. This is literally a cash ATM. If I profit, I can literally take a withdrawal. That's why I like TakeProfitTrader. And I'm confident with them. Like with TakeProfitTrader, if I make a profit, I can literally withdraw it in my bank next morning. Yes, sir. What's up, Christian? Yeah, discipline is very key, guys, in trading. It's, like I said, it's easier said than done, 100%. But, you know, discipline will help you in the long run. That's why having a great foundation outside of trading or being disciplined outside of trading is really good. Like, if you have, like, a sport or, like, you know, you've been in the military or something, you know, stuff like that. Or, like, you go to the gym consistently, eat healthy or whatever. I've been slacking on my diet, and I've been undisciplined on that. I've been eating kind of whatever. But I'm not, like, you know, going crazy. But I'm definitely going to lock in with my diet. Yeah, Chris. This account is the MVP. He saved us all. He's saving it right now. He's literally carrying the boats. Exactly, Mo Money. It's just how you handle it. Exactly. It's your perspective. Like, you just gotta learn, hey, it's not your day. As long as you followed your rules, it's a win, man. And it's how you manage your risk. 444, that's a win, man, that you stopped. Really, if you had an A+ setup and you got stop loss in seconds, it just wasn't your day, man. Dom, yeah. Yeah, we got 5 cash ATMs right now. Yeah, I like that. Cash ATMs. Rex, for TakeProfitTrader, you gotta wait for them to approve it and take it out of your account first. With TakeProfitTrader. But they usually do it pretty quick. Yeah, Eddie. Yeah, you need a lockout button for the diets. Yeah, 100%. 100%. Dan, does Rise pay out in crypto? Because a lot of firms pay through Rise. And then I think with Rise you could do crypto maybe. I think. Yeah, that's what I like, Tommy. Is like all these firms, guys, they all have different rules and different benefits. That's why it's just like pick your poison, you know? That's why I like these prop firms. Because, like, there's a lot of people complain about trailing drawdown, and I 100% get it. But it's like, guys, there's plenty of prop firms that have no trailing drawdown. They have end-of-day accounts. So it's like, you're not forced to trade in a trailing drawdown account. Like, the only thing with TakeProfitTrader is the 5 days to pass, which is not that big of a deal because you can pass sooner and just flip. But it's a trailing drawdown once you're in the funded. But it stops once you hit the buffer. And then it becomes a cash ATM. So, yeah, you pick your poison, guys. You're not forced to trade with this one firm. I don't know yet right now. It's kind of, we're kind of making a pull. I can't tell if it's a pullback or a reversal happening, but I want to be cautious because right now it's kind of consolidating right here. So it could go either way, honestly. So that's why I'm staying cash right now. Kinko, yeah, three cash ATMs, 25K accounts. Yeah, that's great, man. Good job, great job. Yeah, you can get your, if you pass today, you can get them tomorrow, Kinko. Great job, man. Triple four, yeah, it's just learning and adapting that 444. So if you notice, you just gotta adapt to different market conditions, like, cause like, yeah, war market is definitely different. Dude, gas went up so much in my area. It used to be under $5 a gallon, and now my gas station is literally like almost $6 a gallon. That is crazy. $6, guys. $6 a gallon. It was like $5.80. $5.80, guys, for the cheap stuff for gas. Oh man, the Honda Fit, man. The Honda Fit is putting in overtime. Woo! Damn, yeah, it's gonna be like 50 a tank now. Funded next, nice. Yeah, I think they pay out with crypto. Yeah, I like the cash ATM, guys. Cash ATM. Yeah, we got 5 cash ATMs ready to go. Because it literally is. Like, you literally, if I make like $200, I got $200 cash ATM right now. Yeah, Dan, funded next. They had the Bolt accounts. They have like Legacy and Rapid accounts as well. Probably like 3 or 4 firms, I think. Nasdaq, I'm sure, I think. I don't know, I lost track. Maybe 2, 3, 4. AZ. Yeah. Dude, well, I know in LA it's like almost $7 a gallon or something in some areas. That is crazy. I mean, $6 is a lot. That's really high in my area. It was like at in the $4 area for a long time, but now we're back at like almost $6. It's like $5.80 a gallon, and that, guys, that's just cheap stuff. Yeah, unfortunately with Cali, you gotta pay a lot more. That's the only thing here. Guys, you know what? You know what really blows my mind? You know, in the motorcycles, most states don't allow you to lane split. But in California, with all these strict rules and laws and everything, you can lane split in California, which I found kind of interesting. You can I don't have a problem with motorcycles lane splitting, but I just find it weird that in California you're allowed to lane split, but in other states it's illegal. I don't get it, especially in California out of all the states. Dan, if you take a withdrawal, you have to wait for them to approve it, and then once they approve it, then you can trade the account again. So it updates end of day, so you can take a payout end of day on 5 accounts. So you can have 5 payouts at the end of the day. France's $9 a gallon is freaking crazy, and I know that's €9 too. And €9 goes a lot. Is like what, $10, $10.5 US. That's crazy. €10 a gallon is absurd. No, $10 US. Yeah. Jeez. $2.50 is so cheap. Oh man. $6.40 a gallon, Toronto. Also, Canada. Yeah, Canadian prices are higher than the US as well. Damn. $3.50. Damn, that's hella cheap. $3.50 a gallon. Nah, I cannot trade a 5-second time frame. Nah. No. No problem, Flowers. Flowers, it depends on your account. Which account are you trading in, Flowers? Okay, it was at my entry earlier for a long, but let's see if it wants to play out still, or if it wants to reject and come down lower. Because we're having a big sell-off right here. Like over 100 points. Maybe stab long. Stab long. $10 in Dubai for a full tank is $10. $10 for a full tank. Oh, we're going to Dubai. No taxes.
Order filled.
We'll take a stab long here. This was my entry earlier, but we just gotta be cautious that it's a reversal and just gonna stop us out. So I do not want to be in a big stop loss. I just want it to like bounce nice and just go straight up to the moon. I mean, more ideal said than done. But this is our first trade of the day. The only problem I'm worried about is that it's overextended and it's making a reversal. Yeah. Might get stopped out here. That's why I want a tighter stop. I don't want to be in a big stop with this trade.
Stop filled.
Stopped out, all good. 14-point loss. Yeah, so we did take... We were looking for longs right here in the beginning of the stream, and of course, it ran up like 100 points or something. But yeah, it looks like it's making a reversal back down now, so we gotta be cautious. So that's why I have a tighter stop, because if it does break, which it's doing, I do not want to be in 20, 30 point stop loss. That'd be too much. Mexico 416. Vertex. I think you just gotta click it and add it. You're gonna click it and then you can choose the time frame people were saying. 50K select. The select. Are you Flowers? Are you using the 5-day pass or the daily payout option? The daily payout option, you need to be above the buffer, but the 5-day option, I don't think there's a buffer. You can request 50% of your balance. But once you request a payout, I'm pretty sure it's like, what is it? You just can't let it hit 0, basically, or something like that. It's something like that, like $100. Yeah, Dubai got oil in their backyards. Yeah. Guys, well, this was our first trade technically of the day. Yeah, you're right, Beyond Limits. This is, guys, we noticed on our first trade of the day, that was our first trade. We've been getting stopped out, and then it runs huge in our favor. And we were literally talking about it right here. I was like, oh, I would normally enter a long right here, have my stop loss right here, and then it'll play out. And it literally did that, but we didn't take the trade. Hey, you gotta be like this guy's like, oh, of course, of course. It's all a scam, guys. It's all a scam. The market makers are after us. Well, maybe look for an entry short now if it pulls back, because right now it's just breaking levels down. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. We're back. I don't know, guys. We might be falling short again now. Nvidia's falling right now. SPY's falling right now. ES. Very interesting. Yeah, we're pretty close to 24,600. What up, Trunks? What's up, brother? How you doing, man? Motivational Monday. What's up, Cons? What's up, man? Yeah, Victor, you can use it right here. It depends on the firm, but if they have Tradovate prop, you can have the manual lockout, yeah. Nice, Emil. Yeah, if you're up on the day, man, yeah, call it a day, especially if you don't trade at this time. Have like the designated time slot. And you're up, Mabel. Call it a day. Hey guys, if you're up on the day and you're second guessing whether to take another trade, more than likely or not, you should just call it a day, especially if you're up and you're questioning it. We got a 10:30 candle in minute 30. Alright, we got a minute left. At the moment, I like shorts better. I had a very bullish incentive at the beginning, but it looks like, yeah, this is a reversal happening, and we got stopped out on our long right here. At the moment. That's why I kind of like day trading, honestly. You can make money both ways. $20 seconds. Yeah. Yeah, we got a 30-minute in 3 seconds.
Order filled.
Try a short right here. Looking for a fall back down. Just entering on a pullback. First traded day, they always hunt our stops. Dang market makers. Can't stop us now. We can't let them stop us. First they were cutting out our streams, and then now they're hunting our stops. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. Do they realize that we are certified funded traders here, guys? I don't think they realize that. We're officially certified funded traders, and it's just ridiculous. No respect for us. It's quite astonishing, actually. Alright. 15 points. Nice. Like that's making a lower low right here. Continue down. Tap this 93 area, and then if it breaks that... If we break this 24,580, that's a big gap to the downside. Yeah, this is a big gap. If it plays out. At our peak, we're up 15 points, but I would never sell there. You guys think so? I like shorts at the moment. I had a very bullish incentive at the beginning, but it looks like it's making a reversal here. We're back at 12 points. Yeah, Michael Patzak, guys. It's the market makers. They're dissing on our stream. They don't like seeing us win. They don't. Yeah. Bring out my funded certificate. Well, we popped to 12 points again. We're going to 12, 15 points and coming right back to our entry. Well, I'm in a short right now. Right on a mill. Thank you. Yeah, we do gotta be cautious around here. Loki might gotta just take the 15 points and dip. To the downside, NQ. To the downside. Let's go. Come on.
Order filled.
I'll lock it at 12 points. That's the third time it reached 15 points, and it literally just popped right back to my entry, and we could just literally re-enter. So that pretty much covered the first loss. Only down $60 in the day, so that little scalp. Because I would normally keep holding, but we've been noticing when I've been holding my trades, especially last week, I've been getting wrecked. I would be up 10, 20 points, and then it would literally run in my face. I would be up like 10, 20 points, and it would run to my stop loss, stop me out. Those are big swings. Or a new 5-minute right there. Did make a new low on this candle, which I like. But like I said, it literally popped right back to my entry. Like, that was the third time it could have done. 580 hold. Hold the line. Yeah. Well, if it breaks, yeah, this 580 area, I mean, especially here, like, that's a big gap to the downside. It did make a new low, which I like. And like I said, guys, we can always just re-enter. Oh, yes. Long? I don't know, man. Yeah, we gotta be cautious right here. This is a bounce area. Just bounced off of this 593. We just gotta be cautious. Stab. Oh yeah. We can't say we're taking a long. We're taking a stab along, or we're taking a stab short. Then we get extra luck. Extra luck, guys. Oh, it's sad. You know, like those damn like I saw like a reel, like those the gambling people on the slot machines. They're like rubbing the machine for extra luck. I'm like, oh my gosh, bro. They're literally like rubbing the machine for extra luck. It's like yeah, we're trying to put that theory into trading. Come on, NQ. Come on, let's go, NQ. Come on, to the downside, NQ. It's like, come on, come on. Is this really gonna work? Is this really extra luck? Right here, we need to break this if we want to follow lower. This 593 and especially like the down here, 580s. It is forming lower lows right here. I like that for short still. Emil, if you make money, then yeah, it's extra luck, man. Then we gotta start rubbing their screen, yeah. All right, we got 1 win, 1 loss. We're only down $65. That's nothing. That's literally nothing. That's 3 points on NQ with 10 micros. That's 3 points. Just gotta look for. We're basically breaking. We just gotta look for a good setup, guys. Okay, let's see this break. It did wick it lower. That is good for our shorts. Oh gee, yeah. Yeah, this is the $2 account. Bro, this $2 account is putting in overtime, man. He's carrying the boats right now. He's literally the David Goggins of trading right now for me. He's literally carrying all the accounts. Damn, I've had this account since the beginning of the year. Damn, it's already March, guys. What's going on? It's already March 9th. We're already 3 months in. 3 months in is crazy work. We have a new 5 minute and 30 seconds. I think there's like a 10-second delay. You guys got a 10-second delay? I'm looking at the seconds right now. 8 seconds? That's actually pretty good. I know. We're already freaking 3 months in. I literally started live streaming at the beginning of the year for the first time. I feel like I just started this. Well, I kind of did. I mean, I'm literally just starting out still, yeah, on the streaming. Yeah, beyond limits. 15. Yeah, Tommy, I'm trying to drop down weight too. Right now I'm like 175. I'm trying to get down to the 160s right now. But I noticed I'm working out, but my diet is what's causing me to be stagnant right now. I'm literally just stuck at 175, which is good. Because last year I was literally at like 185, 190. Too big for me. That's too big for me. For me personally. 175, I feel good at this weight, but I could definitely get down to like 165. If I lose an extra 10 pounds, that'd be nice. But I gotta work on my diet. All right, right here. We're making a new low right here. That's good. Let's see a break right here. We can maybe fall lower. I mean, if it does continue lower, this is a big gap to the downside. That's like 200-300 points. To the moon. Yeah, delay's not too bad. Yeah, I like having the seconds. You guys can see it. What's up, Ryder? What's up, brother? Emil, yeah, we're breaking lower right here. Nice, Tommy. Yeah, I'm like 175 right now. We're like same weight. Yeah, I'm trying to get down to like, 165. Because my goal with my body, I don't want to be like a stocky, slow bodybuilder. I want to be like an athlete that's like skinny but like ripped, but like really freaking strong. Like skinny and strong. Like my cousin, dude. I remember him and my brother and my cousin, we were working out at the gym, and like my brother and I were way stronger than him. And then he like hit puberty, and then he got like started lifting a bunch of weights. Bro, he weighs 150. He weighs 150 pounds and can bench press 330 pounds for like 1 rep. I'm like, what the heck? Yeah, I'm not even joking. 330 pounds on the bench press, guys, or 335 at 150 pound body weight. I weigh 25 pounds more than him, but he's like a little taller than me. But he's like jacked. He's like literally just like muscle, freaking yoked. He can deadlift like 500 and he can squat like 405 for like 3. I'm like, holy crap. Yeah, I remember working out with him when we first started, and my brother and I were like way stronger than him. And then yeah, he like passed us like nothing. I was like, wow. Yeah, Tommy, that's what I like. You like slim fit, like you're slim, but you got muscle. You're slim. You can lift a lot of weight. You can do cardio. That's what I'm trying to do. Runs. I gotta go on runs actually. That's what I'm not. Yeah, I haven't gone on runs, and I've been slacking on my diet, guys. This is accountability. Gotta take accountability for yourself. That's how you grow as a person. I'm taking accountability. I'm stagnant because I'm not making any improvements. And that's how you grow as a person, guys. Same thing in trading. You can't just be like, oh, you can't always blame the market makers, guys. Oh, the market makers. Oh, they're hounding my stops. Oh, no, we just gotta time it better. Yeah, blame everything on MP, guys. Did they realize I'm a certified funded trader? Come on, guys. Come on. Hey, do you guys take creatine? I used to take that stuff, but I haven't took it in like over 2 years. I'm low-key thinking about taking it because there's a lot of benefits to it. The only thing I'm worried about is you need to drink a lot of water, and I already feel dehydrated when I drink a lot of water, so I'm literally going to like shrivel up to a raisin or something. That's like the only thing I'm concerned about. Oh yeah, you gain water weight as well. But there's a lot of like cognitive benefits as well with like creatine. Not just like hypertrophy and all that stuff. Verin, $2,100 buffer. You need a $2,600 balance, 50% consistency in the Apex to request a $500 payout, Verin. As long as you're under the 50%, Verin, it's up to you, really, man. But slow is always best. RB Trades, yeah, I'm putting myself accountable by admitting that, hey, I haven't been going on runs. And I still haven't done that yet. So, that's on me. It's 100% on me. I gotta go on runs minimum once a week. Damn, I've been slacking on the runs. I hate running during the moment, but I feel great after. Beyond Limits, nice, man. Yeah, the only thing I don't like about creatine as well is the dry powder. It tastes like crap for me. Even though it's no flavor, it tastes really bad. Even when I mix it with stuff, I don't know. I gotta mix it. Maybe I'll mix it with some lime juice or something. Yeah, Zero Coke. Coke Zero. Yeah, the Coke Zero, Dr. Pepper Zero. They're actually pretty good, but yeah, I don't think they're the best for you. Hydrochloride. Do you get the same benefits Beyond Limits? Because, yeah, I used to take a creatine monohydrate. Well, dude, it has monohydrate in the name. I'm definitely taking another trade on this account. We're literally break even, guys. We just gotta look for a good setup. A mil? Maybe. I don't know. We gotta be cautious. False breakout to the upside. Nice, Beyond Limits. Good to know. Thank you, man. Creatine hydrochloride. Yeah, I'm on creatine hydrochloride. Gotta look that up. Hydrochloride. Superior absorption, it says. Superior. Verin, if you had the legacy account and you make $2,100, you just got by the consistency rule with the 30%. So you'd have to make what, around like maybe like $6,000. Oh no, you didn't make $7,000. Verin, if you make $2,000 at $2,100 in one day, you'd have to pass $7,100 for the thing. So That's a lot, man. Honestly. So I maybe just take it slow, Varen, if I were you. Yeah, there's no need to rush. Fresh on Cloud 9, yeah. Yeah, I like the water. I mainly just drink 2 cups of plain black coffee in the morning and then like water. Every now and again, maybe like a Coke Zero. But I don't like have that in the house. It's just like, or a Gatorade Zero. Gatorade Zero too. Maybe once in a while I'll get a Gatorade Zero. You gotta replenish your electrolytes, guys. Well, that's good. You're healthy, fresh on Cloud 9. That's very healthy. Yeah, that's just a big green candle coming in right here. Yeah, PTG. It feels like that, man. Creatine monohydrate, yeah. Creatine! We're gonna be chugging water, I'll tell you what. We'll be literally chugging water once I start taking creatine. Cloud 9, I actually had sparkling water for the first time in a while last night, actually. Yeah, I had that last night. It was pretty good. We just got it at the store. I was like, yeah, I was kind of craving a sparkling water. It was like a Mason Perrier. Mason Perrier. I used to drink sparkling water. Like, I would get the St. Pellegrinos from Costco. But I haven't been drinking them in a while. But every now and again, yeah, I have a sparkling water. Just a plain one, like no calories, no sugar. Yeah, St. Pellegrino, Mason Perrier. I think Crystal Geyser. They're all pretty good. Beyond limits, yeah. If you eat a lot of peanut butter, especially, man, those peanut butter calories add up, man. Cause it's like 200 calories for a tablespoon. Oh yeah, you'll definitely gain weight if you eat a lot of peanut butter. Okay, we gotta be cautious if it's bottoming out right here. Well, I mean, there's no news today or tomorrow, so we're expecting to see some slow price action, but this is... Because we have news on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Valley Mountain, nice. Hey, I like your name too. It matches you. Fresh on Cloud 9, drinking sparkling water and water. Dude, you're fresh on Cloud 9 right now, man. Literally. That's good. That's good. Champions. Can we get a payout today? We have the Champions song on standby, Champions. If we profit on this next trade, we can take a payout. We're down 65 on the count. That's nothing. We just need a good A+ setup. No problem, Varen. Yeah, just gotta be cautious about that 30% consistency, because if you make 2,100 a day, you need to make 7 grand, which I think would be harder to get. So, yeah, no problem, Varen. Yeah, thank you for suggesting that, guys. Varen suggested that we traded each account one at a time, and we blew 4 to 5 funded, and this was our last account, and it was $2 away from being blown, and we saved it to getting $1,500 in payouts. Still alive to this day. Let's go. Thank you, Varen. See, Varen, I scratch your back, you scratch mine, man.
Order filled.
Try a short right here. Just gonna be cautious if it's a pullback or making a reversal. But it has rejected off here a couple times. So looking for just to fall back short. Mo money, 40% consistency rule. Yeah, trade 3 days, 40% consistency rule, and be above the buffer. So you can request the payout amount above the buffer and 40%, and then you should be good. Test 630? You think so? Ooh. Our new 5-minute right here. We need to see a rejection right now. Yeah, I'm not liking this staircase and pattern up. We got dropped right now. Like right now. Like right now, NQ. Straight to the downside. Okay, well I'm not liking. I like that we're back into profit, but we're staircasing pattern up again, which I'm not liking. That's like a caution sign of reversal. So we need to drop now if we want this to work. No, fuck. We do have the 11 o'clock candles soon, so in 3 minutes.
Order filled.
We'll get out at a $40 loss, basically break even. We're only down $110 in a day. The fact that it came close to our stop loss, down 15 points, and then back to break even, I'm not liking the staircasing pattern up anymore. And we do have the 4-hour, 1 hour in 2.5 minutes, so $50 loss. That's nothing with 10 micros. Sean, I'm not sure. You'd have to ask customer support on that. Thank you, Jacob. Thank you very much, man. Appreciate you. Means a lot, man. Thank you, Jacob. Good luck with that account, man. Craig, doing good, man. How you doing? We're basically break even on the day, guys. We're only down 110 bucks. Yeah. Come on. We shall see. I don't know. I'm not liking it anymore, really. It could still work out, but I don't know. It's breaking levels up, staircasing pattern up, making higher lows right here. Yeah, we got the 4 hour and a minute 40. Yeah, guys, we're only down $110. That's nothing. That's literally nothing. Peace out, Tradion. Have a good one, man. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day, brother. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, we got 1 minute. Let's see where this candle wants to go. Thank you, Tommy, man. Appreciate you, brother. Yeah, I'm working on that a lot this year. My risk management got a lot better than the previous years, which is great. That's good. So we're definitely working on that better. Yeah, we're only down $110, guys. That's literally nothing. With 10 micros, I mean, that's literally 5.5 points. All right, 3 seconds right here. Whole lot of nothing. Alright, good thing we got out that trade. We really got stopped out right there. We would have hit a full stop right there. Yeah, what I don't like is it's staircasing pattern up, breaking levels up, making higher lows. Because this was the area we needed to break, and we literally just wicked it and it came right back up. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, champions. One more trade, champions. One more trade. Okay. It's time, Emil. It's time. It's time. It's time. Boom. Boom. Full take profit. Payout locked in. We're done on the day. Let's go. Call it a day. Call it a day. Looks like it's really trying to go back up here. Look for the highs of the day. This is so anticlimactic right here. That's good, Jacob. Trading in the zone. Yeah, a lot of people recommended that book. I haven't read it. Yeah, I've seen that book before. That's good. That's great, man. Yeah, this is paint drying right here. We're literally watching paint dry. It's like really trying to break out, but it's just like hesitating. Nice, Jacob. Love to hear that. You're up $1,000, bro. That's great. Loki might have to get that book. Everyone says it's pretty good. Yeah, I never read it. Mark Douglas, yeah. Trading in the zone. Yep. Oh yeah, Kinko, you can touch whatever you want, man. Yeah, take your money and dip. That's good, Jacob. If you're seeing general improvement in your confidence and your mental, that's great. It starts in the eval stage, Jacob, so that's good. Even if it's an eval, you're still up. Workshops on YouTube? Huh. Tom Holgard, yeah, I've heard of Tom Holgard as well. Tom Holgard. Best loser wins. That is true. Best loser wins, guys. Alright, yeah, we're breaking up now. That's good. Pump. Pump. The workshops. Mark Douglas workshops. Guys, gotta go into the workshops today. Workshop. Mark Douglas workshop. Oh, we got green coming in here. Really, Emil? You like him that much? Yeah, I haven't read his book, no. Gotta check it out. Trading in the zone. Key concepts. Psychology of trading. Overcoming mental habits. Understanding risk and probability. The zone. Who's it for? Traders of all levels, including beginners who struggle with consistency and emotional control. Anyone looking to build a more disciplined and confident approach to the financial markets. Thanks, AI. Yeah, that is true, Beyond Limits. See, they're teaching us how to trade and overcome stuff, and they're selling a book. It's kind of like selling a course. Damn, are we all just getting debated? Well, that was just a big random pullback right there. I don't know, guys. I haven't read the book, so I can't say anything from my experience.
Order filled.
Try a long right here. Probably be my last trade on this account. Looking for a push up. Making a staircasing up right here, just following the pattern, centering on a pullback, basically. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Ooh. Go up, NQ. Gotta go up. Gotta go up. New 5-minute right here. Nice, Chris Kelly. Get that paper. Get that money. Back to break even. We really gotta go now. There's so much fight right here. We're just going up, like down 5 points, up 5 points, break even. No, I don't buy any market data. Huh. Yeah, this is a very weird trade. A lot of ping pong right here. Yeah. We gotta trade oil now, guys. I'm an oil trader now. NQ has not been working out, guys. We're switching to oil. just go long. There we are. Come on, keep going, NQ, go. Just rip. Rip, 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 rip. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Champions. Champions, go. Come on. Go, go, go. Come on. We're at the buffer. Go, Enki, you gotta rip now. Go, go, go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Majority out of there. I got 4 micros left because it's just doing so much hesitation. Who cares?
Order filled.
I'm not being greedy. I'm not being greedy. Who cares? On a day like this, especially, we've been playing ping pong, and it was like bouncing around right with my entry. Down, up, 5 points. Down, up, 5 points. Yeah. Because, guys, think about it. If we hit our stop loss there, which we were very close, we would have been down $400 on the day. And now from being up to 100, that's a $600 swing in the right direction just because of that one little trade. That's a $600 swing. I don't care. $204 times 0.8. Hey, we get a $163 payout. I don't care. See, I don't care, guys. Yeah, lock it in. Lock it in, guys. Lock it in. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Steve. But what if the trade goes against you, man? You blow the account. Yeah, we'll take the payout. We're not going to be greedy. Okay, I think I'm just going to trade a micro, honestly, on these accounts. Just to count a winning day. Because this is not really good price action. This is really cock-a-poo-poo. So the fact that we got a payout on it today is pretty good.
Order filled.
Oh, that's loud.
Order filled.
Yeah, we're just going to flip right here. See, the thing with TakeProfitTrader, you need 5 trading days. So we're just going to flip on today. So it counts as a trading day. See, that flips these accounts. So these accounts right here, it flips. So you can just trade 1 micro and count it as a flip. Alright, guys. Yeah, guys, this $2 account. This is the $2 account, guys. Now we're at like 1,700, 1,600 in payouts, 1,650. That's pretty good. From $2 to $1,600 in payouts. I'm astonished. This is the true champion. Hey, I can't wait. Dude, imagine we take this $2 account to getting a bunch of payouts to getting moved to a live account. Oh, yeah, guys. Hey, we get that email. Congratulations, Casey. You're getting moved to a live funded account with that $2 champion right here. Let's go. Yeah. Alright, guys, I'm going to call it right here. So, we had like, what, 2 losses and 2 wins or something? Something like that. We got a $163 payout. I'll gladly take it. Small numbers add up. Especially on a day like that we almost got stopped out on our last trade. That's a $600 swing in the right direction. From being down almost 400 to now being up 200. That's a $600 swing. And then we just got a flip day on these accounts just to count as a day. Because you need 5 days. So, yeah. Marina, yeah, these are 5 TakeProfitTrader 50Ks. We started them on Friday, pretty much. Yeah, so we're not going to be greedy. We're just going to take the $160, honestly. There's no reason to force it on a day like today. Especially it's a Monday, and there's no news today or tomorrow. So we're just going to take what we can get. Appreciate y'all, as always. I'll see you guys on the live streams tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST. Appreciate y'all, as always. It really means a lot. You guys are all watching still. We're averaging like 90, 100 viewers. It's awesome. I love that. And appreciate y'all for always watching. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Have a great, blessed, amazing day. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST. And yeah, gonna go to the gym and edit some videos and go on about my day. So peace out, everyone. Have a great day. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. Peace.